We understand the overwhelming number of choices on Amazon can be daunting. That's why we've made I Explore channel a mission to curate a carefully selected collection of the most innovative, practical, and exciting products across various categories. From electronics and home appliances to fashion and beauty, we've got you covered. Number 1, Crock-Pot 6-quart cooking carry programmable slow cooker with digital timer, stainless steel, 6-quart cooking carry slow cooker, serves 7+ people. Digital countdown control lets you program cook times anywhere from 30 minutes up to 20 hours, shifts to warm setting automatically once cook time completes. Easy to use locking lid featuring lid gasket, provides extra seal for less mess on the go. Works on 240 watts at 120 VAC and 60 Hz. And it's Amazon choice. Number 2, Ninja SP351 Foodie Smart 13-in-1 Dual Heat Air Fry Countertop Oven, Dehydrate, Reheat, Smart Thermometer 1800 watts in silver color. Dual heat technology, up to 500 degrees F directly heated sear plate, and up to 500 degrees F rapid cyclonic air work together to allow you to sear and crisp at the same in an all-in-one, powerful, 1800 watt appliance. Smart Cook System, Air Fryer Healthy Meals, up to 75% less fat versus traditional deep frying. Faster cooking, up to 65% faster cooking versus a full-size electric oven. XL family size capacity, fit up to 6 chicken breasts, cook a 2-pound roast, or air fry up to 4 pounds of ingredients. Restaurant-worthy results. It's included. Countertop oven, air fry basket, non-stick sear plate, wire rack, removable crumb tray, and Foodie Smart Thermometer. Reclaim your counter space. Takes up 45% less space when you flip it up. Number 3, Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 Air Fryer and Electric Pressure Cooker Combo, with multi-cooker lids that air fries, steams, slow cooks, sautés, dehydrates and more, free out with 1900 recipes, 8-quart. 11-in-1 functionality. Air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, sterilizer and food warmer. The Instant Pot that air fries. From the makers of the best-selling Duo series comes a pressure cooker and air fryer combo, with 2 convenient removable lids. EventCrisp technology. Quick one-touch cooking, versatile in a cooking pot, cook fast or slow, quick and easy cleanup, proven safety features, perfect for larger families, discover amazing recipes. Number 4, Instant Pot, 6-quart 1500 watt electric round Dutch oven, perfect wedding gift, French blue. Electric Dutch oven, delivering gourmet results right on your countertop. Precision cooking, versatile elegance. Heavy-duty enameled cast iron cooking pot is removable, oven and stovetop safe. Tender results. Matching lid has self-braising grid on underside to keep food evenly moist. Large capacity. Quick easy cleanup. Included accessories. Silicone protective pad to protect surfaces and silicone handle covers for serving, allowing you to go straight from cooking to serving. These all products are got best rating and reviews of customer. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss an update. We look forward to helping you navigate the world of Amazon product sales, and empowering you to make the best purchase decisions. Get ready to discover, shop, and elevate your life with I Explore, my YouTube channel.